Hey all, it's Damira here. Welcome back to my channel. This is the Millennial Farmhouse. If you're new here, I hope that this is for you, and if you're returning, thanks for coming back. I want to share with you today a few things you can do on a family vacation to New Orleans. The first thing I suggest doing is finding a streetcar line, hopping on, and going for a ride. This way you get to see all that is around you. Whether you take the line that's directly near where you're staying or you take a line that leads to another part of town, you'll be able to see places to shop, places to eat, and places that look like they have some fun activities. Once you're done doing that, I encourage you to walk around, especially in mid-city or Treme. Those neighborhoods have some really beautiful murals and houses. Everywhere we went when we walked, we saw buildings decorated beautifully, or we saw lovely houses with wrought iron balconies and beautiful pastel colors. New Orleans is really a vibrant city, and so everywhere you go, there's just something beautiful to look at. New Orleans is also a very walkable city. So they have streetcar lines, and then of course lots of people drive. They have buses everywhere, but there's nothing like taking a walk through a neighborhood, especially in Treme, and just seeing such amazing colors and designs, and also really taking in that warm weather. Once you've done a lot of exploring, I highly suggest you take either that night or the next morning to just sit at a pool if you're in the vicinity of a pool, or maybe if there's a game room or something around you. Take some time to relax yourself and to relax your muscles, because although it's a walkable city, it is a lot of walking you'll probably be doing. Then I suggest you either walk or take a streetcar over to the French market. Now, this is said to be one of the oldest markets in, I think, the country. I don't know how accurate that is, but it is an interesting area for sure. So the French market is basically an outdoor farmers market, craftsman's market. So people are selling, homemade items, handcrafted items, and then of course lots of bulk items that were made very cheap. But they like to brand and advertise everything as a New Orleans staple and made in New Orleans, and you can only get it in New Orleans. Either way though, it is really fun to walk through the market and just see what's there and what you can get. I highly recommend the French market for getting souvenirs to take back to your family and friends. When you're in New Orleans, you can also check out places that have some really fun activities, such as the NOLA Jazz Museum or Jam NOLA. Now, we went to Jam NOLA, and this is an indoor art space, and it was amazing. So you can touch everything. It's very colorful and really interesting and unique. I've never been to an art museum that was like this before, but it was so vibrant, so interesting, and pretty much everything there was made out of recycled material. And I think they said that everything except for one art piece was made by local artists. So I thought that that was really cool and really interesting, and a great way to showcase the talents of people who are from New Orleans. I especially liked the features where we could change the music and get to listen to some old school music. It was really interesting and a fun way to interact with these exhibits.
Nice music. Yes.
Jamnola really was just so interesting, and I have to give a nod to these artists because a lot of the times I am not a huge fan of classic art, and seeing the art in this museum was astounding. The way people make items out of what can be considered nothing or can be considered trash or what have you, it's just so interesting, and I really enjoyed the time there. This is also really great for kids, so if you have young ones who like to run around and who like to touch things, they definitely enjoy Jamnola. And then finally, I just want to share that something else you can do in New Orleans is to take a walk along the Mississippi River. If you can view that, you'll be fairly amazed because it's just a peaceful area. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you've liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll have our NOLA food tour coming up next. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.